Whee! Whee! Hey guys, welcome to Lots of Toys. Here's a fun new construction set. It's a truck and an excavator. It's giant. And it's by Bruder. There's a whole collection of giant toys just like this one. Wow. If I mention that these are giant, I mean really big. And they've got so many working parts. The bed actually lifts. And the cabin lifts as well, so you can repair it. Check it out. You can see the engine in there, so you can fix it up if it needs work. Also, you can fit a figurine in there. The doors do not open. However, you've got windows that are open and a top that's open as well. Look at this, it has the Mercedes logo. Beep, 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 beep. Here comes our front loader. This is super fun. It has so many features. You've got stoppers. You need to put down your stoppers to make sure your truck doesn't roll away. You've got a working scoop. It's hydraulic. And look at this, it rotates. So you can have access all around when you're working in construction. Cool. This is a giant mighty machine. And look at this, you've got a handle here. By pushing this, you can release and work the scoop. And of course it lowers. One thing about these machines, they do not have lights and sounds. But they're fun nonetheless, especially because if they don't have lights and sounds, that means no batteries. So you can take them in the water and sand. I love that. Perfect. And here you can fit your figurine, your construction worker. And even the wheel rotates. Wow, look who's coming to work today. Got a bunch of construction bugs. Howdy everybody. Howdy everybody. Howdy. Howdy everybody. Ah. Hey, me too. How you doing? Hey, wait for us. We're here too. We're coming to work. Me too, me too, me too. Oh, look at all these eager workers. What can you guys do today? Hey, I can work this construction vehicle. Yeah. Put me in charge and I'm gonna get the work done. Yeah, man. We have a bug that's actually working our scoop. Cool. Hey guys, wait for us. We'll join you. Woohoo! This looks fun. Yeah, man. This is gonna be a lot of work. Come on, everybody. Hey, wait for me. To work, everybody. Beep, 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 beep. We're going to get our hands dirty today. We have some work to do at our construction site. Look who's going to be driving our truck. It's a ladybug. Oh yeah, I'm ready to work. Good, because we have a lot of work to do. And look at that, we have more bugs that have come to join us. We came to help, we came to help, we came to help. We came to help, we came to help, we came to help. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hop aboard, everybody. Wee! Oh yeah, man, that's the life. Ooh. Beep, 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 beep. It's time to unload. Ooh. Ooh. Whoopee! Ooh, this was fun. This was super fun. I like this job already. Phew. 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 No worries. We have our excavator that came to help. Our bug excavator. Look at that, the gang is ready. Roll it, man. Ooh, watch out. Ooh, I better get out of here quick. Ooh. Hey guys, I'm getting hungry. I think it's time for a break. Yeah, man. Look at me. Whew. I've been working hard all day. Beep, beep, beep. We're here to help. So cool, man. I love my job. Me too. Whee! Whee! Check out this fun fire and rescue set. It's Max Action Fire and Rescue. The toys have lights and sounds to them. We have a helicopter, a fire truck, and a police SUV vehicle. Looks super awesome. We're also going to take a look at some transformers. We have Heatwave here. He's a police boat. Medic Spot. And another version of Heatwave. This is a fire truck. Whoa, it's fast. It's one of those that you actually push and then you let go. And it goes by itself. It's really fun. It has a ladder. Of course, it's essential for rescuing. You need to reach high places with it. And I love the fact that it has lights and sounds. Here's the fire chief's SUV. It's also one of those push and release. And this one has multiple sounds, actually. You can see the lights up here. They're a really good size. There's one more vehicle included in the collection. It's the helicopter. I don't see any buttons to press on this one for lights and sounds. Oh look, they're right here. It's a fire and rescue helicopter. And we also have someone else today. We have our rescue bots crew, Heatwave, medics bot, and a police boat, Heatwave. Let's see how these compare to our vehicles here. They can be working together to rescue. This is a fire boat as well, and it does transform. It's the easy to do conversion process for it. You simply push it in and it becomes a fire rescue boat. Super awesome. And it's a good size. It's really almost the same size as this SUV. And it does transform back into robot mode, of course. Pull the arms, and there you go. Heatwave to the rescue. Next up we have another Heatwave. This is actually a fire truck. So it's compatible with this guy. They can work together. Now let's see Heatwave transform. This is the one-step transformation process as well. And what you do, of course, you have to tuck in the legs, and then you work with the ladder. You push it back. He's a fire truck mode now. And look at this. Very similar. Let's see them race and face off, see how they do. Of course, this one is the push and release, so it's going to probably go faster. Stuck by the rocks. Awesome. We have one more rescue vehicle today. It's also a transformer. It's Medic's bot. He's a great addition to this team. He's also easy to transform. You just push in his arms and he's now, look at this, in ambulance mode. So awesome. To transform him, you pull out his arms. Let's roll out, guys.
Today we have a super amazing toy, and it's Gear Force Horsepower. It's by Tommy, and it's an amazing and ginormous truck. As you can see, it comes with a lot of figurines. 1 figurine, 2 figurines, 3 figurines. And as you can see, you can convert it into 3 different modes: the police mode, the speed mode, and off-road mode. And a lot of tools, so this looks very promising, and I can't wait to open it up and start playing with it. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Gear Force Horsepower. Hello guys, hi. This looks like a robot, but I'm not sure what this is. 1 figurine. I'm pretty sure that this goes, yeah, right here, and it fits perfectly. I wonder what this is for. Ooh, tools. Another shield, different color. This one's great. This is to pump gas, I'm pretty sure. We have another figurine, a dog. So here's the truck. It's pretty big. As you can see, this is my hand. It's bigger than my hand is. And it looks pretty cool. It's super big. So let's see how this thing works. This is the back part. Ooh, and it opens. That's pretty amazing. As you can see, this is everything that comes inside of the box. Everything is included. It has a lot of nice features like the lights and sound. And do you remember this guy that I thought it was a robot? Well, guess what? It's not a robot. It is the engine, and guess what? It makes sounds. It's pretty awesome. Seriously, I thought that it was gonna be a robot, but no, it's the engine. It's a trailer, and it converts into a workshop. Let me show you. How do you like that? Let's put the trailer over here so I can show you this. And as you can see, the cockpit opens, so you can put your figurine inside. And in here it has like this thing for weapons. And of course, it moves on wheels. And once you're done playing, so if you want to save batteries, you can turn it off here. It comes with a turn off and turn on switch on the bottom. It's pretty amazing. So now let's see what happens when we open the workshop. Well, this is the trailer itself. As you can see, I removed the truck out of it so I could show you this, and it opens. And this is what turns into a workshop. And it has a ramp for you to play with your cars. And in here you can check the weather. And here we see that it comes with 3 different TVs or LEDs that will give you different information regarding your work in the workshop. And then we just attach it to the truck. And voila! It's ready to go. Another amazing feature it comes with is that the cockpit opens, and then in here we're going to use one of our figurines so he can be the driver. The only thing I don't like about this is that when you put the figurine in, it's difficult for it to close all the way. So let's see if I can take it out, and if I remove like his gear, let's see if it closes now. Yeah, much better. Now it closed. So now we have a driver. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is that I have another figurine, and this guy is going to be in charge of the weapons. Hello, guys. So now we're going to convert the truck. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put the engine here, and wow! That's a very awesome engine! I love it! And in here it says recovery. We can put it right here. Let's see if it fits here. It does fit here. Let's see if it makes another sound. If we just remove this part, we can turn this truck into a police truck. How amazing is that? Ooh, I didn't see that the lights changed. It goes here in the front. And look, it helps you pull things out. This could be very helpful and useful in a rescue. Do you need gas? No problem. Here we have the gas. We have a full tank. And this is our rescue dog. Woof woof. Woof woof. Uh-oh, he fell. It's awesome. And we're ready to go. Uh-oh, be careful with the gas, guys. You can cause an accident. Sorry about that. And in here we have the tools that are included for you to play in here, in the workshop. A wrench, another kind of wrench, and I don't know what this is, but looks like a broom, but I'm pretty sure this is not a broom.
That's it for us. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click the subscribe button for more fun videos. And also click the like button if you enjoy this video. Bye everybody!